Hi everyone. So, I'm officially starting my PhD journey. Step 1, research proposal done. Accepted. Feeling smart already. Step 2, coursework starts in 5 days. That's when caffeine and chaos officially begins. Step 3, supervisor no clue yet. Apparently, it's like an arranged marriage but academic. And honestly, I'm a bit scared because Google says the degree that messes with your mental health the most is this one. But hey, I'm here to share this journey honestly. The ups, the downs, the existential crisis, the caffeine highs, everything. So bless me, guide me, and maybe even laugh with me as I figure this out. Hopefully, you'll learn something too, or at least feel less scared of your own chaos. Lots of love. PhD Chapter 1 begins now.